This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy podcast.
I do have, one client, actually, she is a PANDAS kid. And actually, she was one of the ones where the first remedy that she had was, okay, now I've got my child back. And she just had a lot of fear and anxiety. She had a lot of sensory issues, and she has a fear of zippers. These certain kind of fears and things can come up in PANDAS. And actually, I think PANDAS is something that there's not enough awareness about because it can show up in such subtle ways in kids. This case is from a few years ago, so I can't remember all the details. But so the hyoscyamus was the remedy that first shifted her. And she really kind of lifted out of that state, and the mum was just so happy because the fears died down. And we did go up with hyoscyamus, a potency or 2. I think we might have started at 200 and then gone to 1M, and then no, we didn't go to 10M, we shifted. And then some of the fears came back, and I think she also had some gut issues, and we gave calc carb, and she actually really shifted again. And actually calc carb, in terms of that constitutional thing, she's somebody who actually always does go back to calc carb until recently where I've shifted her onto another mollusk, I think, from memory. So she's done really well. But along the way, we've also worked on the strep. She actually had a lot of allergens. And so we've worked through the allergens with indicated remedy, but also clearing things like she did have, and using histaminum. Histaminum's a lovely sarcode for helping to support an allergic response or a mast cell activation syndrome kind of response where the allergies are just so persistent. And she also had some skin issues, mainly some fungal things behind her ears, which graphites has been really good for that too. So, it's kind of been like this constitutional prescription, and then, kind of putting out the little fires that come up with other things and clearing infections with things like strep. She's currently actually starting Borrelia, which is the Lyme nosode, Borrelia burgdorferi, and to clear because she does get headaches, and she also gets these strange pains in her ankles, and there can be a bit of joint pain with Lyme disease, as many people might know. But I do truly believe that it's the constitutional prescription that works to really support all the other little prescriptions that are happening.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.